Hello viewers, welcome back to our new video. In this video we will show you how to use Twitter newsletter. This is a newly added feature on Twitter. So you have to use it in the desktop version of Twitter. You can't use it in the mobile version of Twitter. So first of all, enter https://twitter.com and now you will get to your home page of Twitter. You have to log in yourself. So now click on more and now go to the newsletters. So now you can have a look that Twitter has added Revue for this newsletter feature and you can do it freely. So now you have to just click on find out more. So now you have to click start a newsletter for free. Now you have to sign up with Twitter on this. Now you have to click authorize app. So it will authorize Revue with your account. So now you have to open your account on Revue by Twitter. So you can just write newsletters using Twitter. So this is your username. Now you have the newsletter title. You can name it here as a monthly newsletter of my whatever you can name weekly too. Well, I'll just name it as the weekly newsletter of my username. So now I have to select my country. So I just have to click continue. Now here are the easy tutorials. You'll get them when you first open an account. Simply begin by setting a subject for your issue. Next, external sources, add articles and images from your social media channels. You can do it easily. And now preview your issue in the browser or send a preview to your email address. Finished, just click schedule issue. So if you schedule the issue, then it will be published whenever you schedule it. You can post it on Twitter. So first you have to schedule the issue. So you have to add subscribers first. So first of all, I'm just going to add my own email address to test whether there are subscribers or not. So I'm going to click my mail address. So you can deliver him deliver me the newsletter which I've wrote. So you'll get it by yourself. Don't need to worry. So you can check everything on your insights, performance, growth, engagement. Everything is situated here. For more information, you can just visit the main official account of Revue. And I hope this will be enough informative and helpful for you to write your newsletters fruitfully. So now the question is, why would we use newsletter? The absolute answer is you have to use newsletter because Twitter has a limitation of only 140 characters. Well, you can add as thread the other characters, but it won't be very much satisfiable for you. It won't be very great because the viewers might get bored, so they won't see the whole threads. Rather, it's better to use newsletter. So actually, for this advantage, Twitter has added Revue for Twitter users to create newsletters for their own and earn money through this. So I hope you have got the basics here. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.